If you visit a bar, which is a caffè or a coffee shop in Italy, it's important to know how to order food and drink in Italian. In this video, we'll be looking specifically at how to order a classic cup of coffee.
Vorrei un caffè.
I would like a coffee.
Vorrei un caffè. Vorrei
Is the first person present conditional of the Italian verb
volere.
which means to want. It literally translates as I would want. Italians use this verb form when making polite or formal requests, which is why it comes in handy when ordering food and drink.
Caffè.
Which is coffee, is a masculine noun, so it's preceded by the masculine singular indefinite article
Un.
which means a. If all you ask for is a caffè, the waiter will most likely serve you the classic Italian.
Espresso.
If you want to drink a certain type of coffee, you need to be more specific. For example,
Caffè espresso.
coffee made with a small amount of nearly boiling water that's forced under pressure through finely ground coffee beans. There is also the variable
Doppio.
which uses 2 shots of espresso,
Caffè ristretto.
a more concentrated version made with a shorter shot of espresso and less water,
Caffè macchiato.
an espresso with froth,
Cappuccino.
an espresso with milk and froth,
Marocchino.
an espresso with chocolate and froth.
Vorrei un caffè macchiato, per favore.
I would like a macchiato, please. Some phrases the barista might use at the counter include,
Che cosa prende?
literally, what are you taking?
Mi dica.
Literally, tell me.
Per lei?
For you? Lei in this case is the formal version of you.
Chi è il prossimo? Mi dica. Un ristretto per me e un cappuccino per la signora, grazie.
Who's next? Go ahead. A ristretto for me and a cappuccino for the lady, thanks.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.